apprehension is obviously very well taken. No, it's very well taken. But what we have told Senator Dizon, our senators, is that there are very successful models throughout the world. Singapore is one of them. The sports facilities in London, which were used in the London Olympics, the ones in Sydney, which were used in the Sydney Olympics. These are all best case scenarios that we have studied and we are modeling after for the sports facilities in Newcastle. They are what we call now mixed-use facilities, meaning they were not just built for a particular competition like the Southeast Asian Games. They were built, number one, to serve as long-term training facilities for our athletes, and they were also built for us to avail of the multi-million-dollar sports industry throughout the world that requires these sports facilities to be able to host various sporting events throughout the world.